Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the haptic feedback functionality while playing the games as well. So it is a OnePlus 8T device. So there is an option in the game space in the OnePlus 8T that you can actually feel the vibrations whenever you are playing the games as well. So this is actually supported only in the few of the games. And in this video, I'll try to demonstrate while playing the two games like PUBG game and the Asphalt 9 game. So at the moment I did find only these two games supporting the haptic feedback in the OnePlus 8T. So which is a very good integrated feature in the vibration motor of this OnePlus 8T. So first thing is that I did like the vibration motor in the OnePlus 8T, which is very good, and which gives you very good feedback when you are typing and even while playing the games as well. So first you need to go to the game space application, and once you're in that, go to this three dots and go to the settings, and when you scroll down to the bottom you'll get the option of haptic feedback enhancement. So you need to enable this option first. So once you enable this option, you need to select any game, but only few games are supported with this kind of vibration motor. So the first game which I'll be demonstrating is the Asphalt 9 game. And in case if you want to know more details about this OnePlus 8T, so make sure to check the links in description regarding the OnePlus 8T, and you can find very good amazing videos on the OnePlus 8T which are already uploaded on this mobile phone. So try to check the links in description. You will find so many videos, as I said. And these vibrations you can find very good useful feature in this mobile phone. While playing the games you will definitely feel this kind of vibration, but you should keep a little bit of volume whenever you are playing the games. So in the silent mode the vibrations won't work in this OnePlus 8T device. So let me try to quickly select one of the car and start the match. So I'm not sure you will be able to experience this kind of haptic feedback. So because it is very hard to demonstrate the haptic feedback every time I make a video. But actually I'm getting the vibrations right now. I did get the vibration at the moment. So it's vibrating friends right now. It's very good. So whenever you see this kind of drifting going on, you'll get this kind of vibration, and whenever you're hitting the nitro as well, you'll get the vibrations. And the graphics are very good and very smooth. As you can see friends, whenever you're hitting the car as well, the graphics will be very smooth during this time. So drifting and using the nitro, and when you're hitting the opponent cars, at that time you'll see this kind of vibrations. And the vibrations are coming from only one direction, so only from the bottom side of the phone vibrations will be present, not on the top side. So maybe in the gaming phones they will be on both sides, I think so. So next game I'll try to play the PUBG game as well once I finish this kind of map. So in the Asphalt 9 it's very good experience using these vibrations. So it will give you the immersive kind of feeling when you're playing in the OnePlus 8T device. So now in the PUBG game, so let's see the PUBG game where the vibrations will be present. I did try the Call of Duty. In the Call of Duty the vibrations are not working at the moment, so maybe in the future updates you might be able to receive that kind of feature in the Call of Duty as well. But at the moment the PUBG game is PUBG and the Asphalt 9 are the both games which are supported with the haptic feedback. And whenever you're trying to press the fire button, so whenever you press the gun, then it will try to vibrate. The phone will try to vibrate friends only when you're trying to press the fire button. So that's a very good feedback whenever you're pressing the fire. So that's a very good thing, so which I seriously like in this OnePlus 8T using this feature. So only when you're trying to fire, at that time only it will try to vibrate. So not when you're getting hit by the bullet. So there should be another vibrations as well whenever you're hitting when your enemy fires at you. So just for the demonstration only, I did try to play this kind of game. So for more this kind of comparisons, make sure to follow me regularly and check the links in description as well for more details. So that's it. Friends. These are the two games which are actually supported with the haptic feedback at the moment in the OnePlus 80, and there are a few other games as well which are very small games. So these are the other game, so which actually does support the Dutch settle. So whenever you hit the asteroid, you'll get the vibration feedback as well. So whenever you hit when the asteroid blast, you'll get the vibrations. Not every time you press the fire option. So you'll get very good small feedback while you're playing this kind of games. So definitely this is another advantage, friends. Most of the phones, they should also include this kind of feature in their mobile phones. And thank you for watching this video. For more videos, don't forget to check the links in description. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.